Today we're having a problem on binary operation, and the question goes thus: the operation triangle upside down is defined on a set R of real numbers by m triangle upside down n equals to m plus 2n minus 1 for all m n elements R. Determine if the operation triangle is closed in R. Now, how do you determine if the binary operation is closed in R? This is one of the properties of binary operation, which we call closure property. To show that a binary operation is closed in any set, it simply means that when you apply the rule of combination on any two elements of that set, and the result gives an element of the set, then the binary operation is closed. But if you not give all the same element of that set, then it is not closed. Now, which set are we dealing with here? We are dealing with set R for real numbers, and virtually all numbers, they are real numbers. So, because real number, this is rational and irrational numbers. So once you pick any number at random and you have the element of set R as our answer, then it is closed. So to do justice to this, we say that let m equals to 2, then n equals to minus 3. That is, we are picking these two numbers for what? M and n. And this is the rule of combination. M triangle upside down n equals to m plus 2n minus 1. So, this is the rule given to us. So, we are to apply this rule on these two elements. So, once we now have the same element, then it's correct. So, we are to replace this now. So m will become 2 triangle minus 3. Anywhere you see m put 2. Anywhere you see m put minus 3. Now, from this rule, because before you apply, you have to understand the rule. From this rule, when you have m triangle upside down n, the first thing that you are given here is what? M, which is the first element. So that means write the first element first. So by the time you want to do your own as well, you also have the first element first, that is 2. Plus. This is 2n. What connect these 2n together is times. So our n here is minus 3. So 2 minus 3. Then minus 1. That is the constant, the minus for me. So then you have to have 2. This multiplied by this, you have minus 6 minus 1. And this one minus 2 minus 6 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Now, this is our answer. So, is minus 5 an element of R? The answer is yes. Minus 5 is an element of R because minus 5 is an integer. And integer, they are also real numbers. So, minus 5 is an element of R. So you can pick another number as well. Once you apply the one, still give us the element of that set, it is closed. So, but for me here, I'll draw my conclusion. And we see that I said that all numbers are real. So that was the binary operation is closed in R, and that is the conclusion. So if you try other numbers as well, and if you give a real number, you do a conclusion. If you not give a real number, it is not closed. Don't forget to share to your learner colleagues. Bye.